Hi everyone, this video is not so much of a build of the Airfix 1600 Scharnhorst as a refurbishment. The only one that I could get a hold of was a very badly put together one, which basically had to be stripped down, cleaned up, and then put back together. The only good thing about it was that the glue used was pretty soft and pretty weak, so it did prove relatively easy to pull it apart and clean it up. I also decided to change it from its original configuration to more of a 1941 configuration with an Atlantic bow, and for that we referred to the anatomy of the ship, the battleship Scharnhorst. This is a great reference, and if you can get hold of a copy, it's all you need. For this project, I actually brought a 1600 Bismarck to provide the Atlantic bow and a few other items that were missing from the model. You can see here the original bow being replaced with the replacement Bismarck bow. The prop shafts had no brackets, so they had to be made. An enclosed bridge had to be made, and the gun barrels had to be reattached straight. The original biplane float planes were cut apart and then reassembled as a low-wing Arado. The aircraft hangar was extended as shown. The tripod mainmast was made out of mainly toothpicks. I'll leave you to judge whether that was a good method or not. The secondary and tertiary mounts were all pretty awful. I used 4 new twin 5.9-inch mountings from the Bismarck kit. I reworked the 4 single mountings from the original Scharnhorst kit, and I made 7 new 4.1-inch mountings. The next few slides show detail and photo etch added to the forward superstructure, which made a big difference. At this stage, the model's progressing pretty well, although the funnel still lacks its distinctive cap, and there is no photo etch fitted as yet, apart from a little bit to the forward superstructure. The model has now progressed a little bit further. We can see the funnel cap fitted. We can see the main mast painted. There's still quite a lot of photo etch yet to be fitted. The model is now basically completed, and with the added detail and the photo etch, it's really looking good, and the superstructure is showing a lot of detail. I really like this kit, and with the 1941 upgrade and the added detail, I think it really captures the elegance of the actual ship. I think the final results make an interesting comparison with the model as I originally brought it, as a very badly assembled out of the box effort. Just goes to show what can be done with these old kits. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of my channel. there are lots more 1 to 600 scale builds to be seen.